Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure AI Services a little bit more in detail. Let's get started. So Azure AI Services, the key categories that we are going to look into today is vision, speech, language, decision, and OpenAI services. OpenAI services will have its own dedicated video, so I'll just cover the first four of this key categories. So the first one is vision. So vision, where do we use Azure Vision services? The first one is to analyze the images and videos. So if you feed in any images, you can analyze it and it can give you a response back saying like what is in the video that could be typically used for your tagging and a lot of other use case scenarios. You can extract text from your image. When your image is having some text, you can feed it in and get the text back. And it's also used for detecting objects and scenes that could help in you in certain applications. The last one is facial recognition and verification. You could use that for authentication or certain kind of security related stuff. So speech is mostly used for your conversion of text to speech or speech back to text. Either way around, you could use that. And then use for your real-time translations. And then you can use it for your custom neural voices. And most of the cases, you would use it for voice assistant applications where you do some manipulation once you get the text and you would like to read it back as on audio. Third one is language. So language is mostly used for your sentiment analysis or key phrases. So whenever a customer is leaving a review, you want to understand, like you don't want to look into every single review. Whenever the review happens and if you see there is a negative sentiment, then you want to look into that. Those kind of scenarios you could use this. And then you can also use it for entity recognition. When the text has some person name or address or a phone number, you could use that for those kind of detections. You could also use it for multilingual translations. So moving from one language to another, you could use that. And then also it is used in the conversational AI. So the last one is decision. So where do we use decision services? It's basically used for doing real-time personalization or giving some recommendations. It also used for detecting anomalies in a series of data when you're really using them. And also it's mainly used for fraud detection, monitoring, and adaptive UX. So what it means is like if there is anything anomaly happening and then not in your normal state, you could use that. And also that would help you make the decision and give you an alert when something really happens. That's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another topic. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.